Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on what comes in the box of a Smile Direct Club. So this is basically a kit so you can do the molding of your teeth and you can send it in. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box, what comes with it, and let me tell you something. I ordered it and it came within a day. UPS. Awesome, quick. So I finally got it in. And now I'm gonna make a video on opening it up and show you what's inside, and then an upcoming video on how to do the molding of your teeth and take pictures also, because that's the first thing you have to do. Okay, so the box comes just like this. Let's make a great first impression. Smile Direct Club. Now, basically you gotta send it back on the day they say is right here, before that day, and the return label is in here too. So the box is just like this. Very nice. So let's get it open. I couldn't believe how fast it came. Okay, your return label is in the bottom. So once you get it all molded and everything done of your teeth, you'll send it back in the same box it came. Let's get it open. So it comes with this, basically payments. They have $85 a month for 24 months, $250 down, so it comes out $22.86. $1,850 one-time payment. Wear 22 hours a day. Get your new smile in average 4 to 6 weeks. Add retainer, $99. Complete this form below. So this is the form that you do. Okay. So now this should be instructions and tell you about a little more about the product itself, how to do it. You got a Smile stretcher, impression tray. Clean your hand, dry your hand. So basically gum line to show you the single imprint. This is how it should look. Tell you how to mix it. You have to do this like this. They want it like this so you can take photos and upload 3 photos so they can prepare your look. So they tell you exactly how. Upper teeth, lower teeth, closed teeth bite. Okay. So you have 2 trays. When you get it, make sure it fits your mouth perfectly. You have your putty and mixer. Take this out. Okay. You open it up again. You have another one. Comes with a sticker to seal the box. So you have another one. Lift that up. You have your gloves and your Smile stretcher. So with this right here, you will take your pictures so they can see it. Smile stretcher. Pretty cool. I have another one. Okay, so right here tell you what to do. Make a great first impression. Second time the charm. So basically they want you to do it twice. The smile stretcher. And you mail it back with the same box using this sticker. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Pretty cool how it works. So do it twice, and the second time is a charm. Then you put it back in the box and send it back. Well, I got more upcoming video on this, on how to use these and do the molds. Check it out. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. More videos to come. This is what comes in the box. Next video will be doing this. Thank you. Like and subscribe.